Hey, everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss: 10 incredible foods that can actually help you lose weight. Yes, you heard it right. These foods not only taste great but also support your weight loss journey. So, without further ado, let's dive right in. First up on our list is the mighty avocado. Packed with healthy fats, fiber, and essential nutrients, avocados are a fantastic addition to any weight loss plan. Their high fiber content keeps you feeling full for longer, reducing the chances of overeating. Next, we have green leafy vegetables like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard. These greens are low in calories but high in fiber, vitamins, and minerals. They provide a satisfying crunch and are perfect for adding volume to your meals without packing on the pounds. Moving on to lean proteins such as chicken breast, fish, tofu, and Greek yogurt. Protein is an essential nutrient for weight loss because it helps you feel satiated, preserves lean muscle mass, and boosts your metabolism. Incorporating lean proteins into your diet can aid in shedding those extra pounds. Now, let's talk about the sweet and vibrant world of berries. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries are not only delicious but also low in calories and high in antioxidants. They make a perfect snack, adding a burst of flavor and important nutrients to your diet. Whole grains, such as quinoa, brown rice, and oats, deserve a spot on our list. Unlike refined grains, whole grains are rich in fiber, which aids digestion and helps you feel fuller for longer. They also provide essential nutrients and can help regulate blood sugar levels. Next up, we have legumes like lentils, chickpeas, and black beans. These little powerhouses are packed with fiber, protein, and complex carbohydrates. Including legumes in your meals can help control your appetite and promote weight loss while keeping you satisfied. Let's not forget about nuts and seeds. Almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds are excellent choices for weight loss. Although they are high in calories, their healthy fats, fiber, and protein content make them a satisfying snack that can actually aid in weight management. Citrus fruits like oranges, grapefruits, and lemons are not only refreshing but also beneficial for weight loss. They are high in vitamin C and fiber, and their natural tangy flavor can help curb cravings for sugary treats. Now let's spice things up. Certain spices like cayenne pepper, turmeric, and cinnamon can actually assist in weight loss. They contain compounds that may boost metabolism, reduce inflammation, and help regulate blood sugar levels. So, don't be afraid to add some spice to your meals. Last but certainly not least, we have the simplest and most underrated weight loss aid: water. Staying hydrated is crucial for overall health and can also support weight loss efforts. Drinking water before meals can help reduce